Okay, do you want to know that how to get watching hour and subscriber to increase on your YouTube channel? Normally, if you're a small YouTuber on this street, it's very hard to get that 1,000 subscriber and the 4,000 watching hour. But today I'm here, I'm gonna tell you the all tips that are going to help you to start getting your 4,000 watching hour and 1,000 subscriber. Normally, when you're a small YouTuber, no one know you on this street. Especially when you're a small YouTuber, you go 100 subscriber or you go 200 subscriber, no one know you. The time you're going to post your video, no one is gonna watch. But if you look the people with the millions and 100,000 subscriber, whatever they're going to post on this street, straight away YouTube upgrades it. Know them, then they get recommended their video, they get 1,000 and 1,000 viewers. But for you, you want to get that 4,000 watching hour and the 1,000 subscriber, but YouTube doesn't know you. So the problem is, small YouTuber, the time you came on this street, first you have to be consistently video uploading. You have to post every time video, not like every day. I don't mean like every day 6 video, 7 video. No, you can just upload like a week 3 video or 4 video or 2 video, but don't miss video any days if you can get chance. Even it's good if you can upload like Monday to Friday, 5 days a week a video is good, because like for example, if today I came to your house and I knocked the door, tomorrow I came again, I came and knocked the door, you're going to see like I'm just disturbing you. You want to say like, why this guy always coming and knocking my door? Let me chase him away. So it's same like the more you're going to post a video, the more you are going to disturb YouTube upgraded. And YouTube is that time is gonna feel like, why this guy is always upgrading, telling like he upload video and this content is this type of video, he upload this videos this type. So let us support this guy to reach where he is. And the other tip you can start doing, people they don't do it, normally small YouTuber, they don't know all those things, is go and check your competitor. Their competitor, you are going to check like 10 people, go and pick like 10 YouTubers, like 7 small YouTubers and 3 big YouTubers, or 5 big YouTubers and 5 small YouTubers. Why I make these 2 numbers is, you see like this video is ranking people that are watching, and you are going to watch another competitor which is a big YouTuber, then you are going to watch this video also is ranking. You are going to check, because if this is small YouTuber, he upload a video and people are watching, what did he do with this person? Is it his thumbnail? Is it the title? Is it the video description? What did he do? Is it the intro? What he did? Just go and check his video. That small YouTuber, watch that video from the beginning until the end, even if it's half an hour. Don't feel like I'm not going to watch this is long video. No, go and watch that video of that person. You have to understand like, why is small YouTuber, he go 1,000 subscriber, he go 600 subscriber, but how his video go viral and he get 1,000 and 1,000 viewers? So what he did in this video. So the time you watch that video, you are going to get idea like, okay, let me create a video like this or better than this, let me post and let me follow the same. Like, let me check his thumbnail, let me check the title of this person, the way he write, let me go to the description video and read what he write here. Then mix all those things, create your own video, use the same thing he used. I'm telling you, 100% you are going to rank on your video. Normally YouTube, they're just checking like, if today I say how to get 1,000 subscriber and another big YouTuber, he write the same title like how to get 1,000 subscriber, those 2 videos are going to be like this. His video will be at the top, mine will be here. So if anyone search like how to get 1,000 subscriber, these 2 videos gonna pop up because they got the same title. As long as I'm a small YouTuber, he's a big YouTuber, mine is gonna come with him because we got the same title. So that's how people, they play some trick on this street. If you're a small YouTuber, don't upload 1 video a month. No, don't upload 1 video a week. No, I'm not going to say don't, you can't do it, you can do it, but it means like upgrading every time is going to forget you, and you are going to update again, is going to drop and you are going to update. But the famous person, those people that have already been known like the big YouTubers, even if he posts 1 video a month algorithm is already know that person. So that video, the time he's gonna post is already gonna pick, because he know what he's doing. You are new, no one know you. Algorithm even doesn't know you, what is your niche. Okay, so the time you are going to come with your video, first thing, like, let me go and start uploading 2 video a week, 3 video a week, or 4 video a week. Then on that time, go around with the other YouTubers, the same with you, or the famous people, the big YouTubers. Especially, I can always recommend people, not to the top people, to the middle and to the low people. Go and watch those people, because the low people, anyone you see, like, he goes 700 subscribers, 600 subscribers, 400 subscribers, his video is ranking, people are watching. Why not you? Why not you? You also, you are going to rank the same with him. But just take the title he used, go to the description, check the thumbnail, follow whatever he did, but don't copy the video like you are going to download and go and paste on what's calling on post in your channel. Now, don't do like copy and paste. No, don't do that. What you do, take the idea, like, if I want to watch this video, I will watch the video, I will listen what he was talking about, I will check his title, I'm going to check the thumbnail, how he just make a thumbnail, just check the description, then I get the full idea what I want to do. And again, small YouTuber, normally mistake they do, when they're going to start their video, the intro is too long. Like, if now I'm going to do my intro like, hi guys, my name is Diamond Shot, I'm doing this. No one know me, so no one interested about to know me. The reason people that are going to click about my thumbnail, they came here to know what I'm doing, not about myself. If I just talk about myself, I have to create another channel again to start talking myself. Or when people, they know me and they want to know more about me, then that time I can start telling them more about myself. But now, no one interested about me. The reason people that are going to click your video, they are going to get the reason of that thumbnail you make there. So, small YouTuber, if you want to start getting your 4,000 watching hour, you want to get your 1,000 subscribers, go around with other YouTubers. Don't stick and say like, oh, I got only 200 viewers and I'm not going to watch anyone video and I don't have time to post a video. You are not going to get anyone else is going to watch your video. The reason people, they are going to subscribe is the reason people, they are going to watch. When someone watch your video and like your video, that the time is going to subscribe and is going to leave his comment. But if no one is going to view your video, who is going to comment? Where are you going to get subscriber? So try your best. Go around with the other YouTuber, your competitor. All the time I will say that, go your competitor, check what type of video he posts. If he or she, with the time she posts a video or he posts a video, go and watch that video. Again, just take the idea of that video, what she was talking about, what he was talking about. After that, create your own video through that person. Again, come to my comment, say, Diamond Shot, what you told me, I did it, but why I didn't get viewers? No, definitely you are going to get views. Like now, if I'm go to my YouTube channel and start searching my competitor, all people, what they post their video today, and I say like, okay, let me follow one by one, I'm gonna get a lot and I'm going to get normal idea. But the reason I'm doing this, I've already seen a lot of people that just struggle on the street because of this. Okay, this is the main problem people, they don't want to do. If you go back on my video, you're going to see like some videos, the way they was been ranking my videos. Because of what I was doing, I was just going around and start checking those YouTuber. I check their title, thumbnail, however they did, I did like mine. Then it's same. So when someone's searching that content, the big YouTuber is gonna pop up the first because it's a famous people, they know him, they watch, so that video is not going to be same like me. But I will be maybe on number 6 or number 5 or number 4 or number 2 on searching engine of that video. When the title someone write, I'll be number 4, number 3, and people, they're gonna click because they see the thumbnail. They see that thumbnail on mine is just the same but a little bit different, but the title, we have got the same title, everything. I can copy and paste it. No problem, you can copy someone title and paste and it's no copyright. So don't think like to copy and paste it someone title is copyright. It's no copyright. So that's the old tip YouTuber they need to do all the time if you're a small YouTuber. And don't think like to upload one video a week is going to help. No, try to post like 3 video or 4 video. And the other thing, all the time when you're going to start uploading your video, make your video on a playlist. end screen, cards, those are going to help you as well, because when you add your video on playlist, when someone watch this video, the other video is gonna pop up. If you add end screen, the person watch your video until to the end screen is gonna show another 3 or 4 or 2 videos on the top. Then it's gonna select it. Let me see this one again. Then he's gonna watch that one. Then he's gonna see until to the end. He see another one again. He's gonna click. So he can stay on your channel for a long time, even you didn't expect that person is gonna be on your channel, because of the more you just following this one to the next one to the next one to the next one, then you're gonna stay on your channel for a long time. It's good to add your video all the time. End the screen, add the card, don't forget to add your video on playlist. And always, no matter if you can post 2 video, 3 video a week, but try to post a video consistently, not 1 video a week. 1 video a week, you are very, very small. So if you start posting 1 video a week, you are not going to reach where you want. Try to post more than 1 or 2 or 3 a week, so that time YouTube is going to understand like you are ready to work. So everyone, when you see like someone's gonna disturb you every day, you want to say like, let me push this person, not to continue to disturb me. So on that time, it's similar like YouTube algorithm. The more you just posting video, the more you just disturb the YouTube algorithm with your niche. And again, not today you are going to upload like cooking, tomorrow you are going to upload like vlogs, after tomorrow you are coming with gaming, then when you mix all those things, YouTube, they are going to understand like this is not channel, it just stick with 1 niche. So they're gonna confuse, and they are not going to get time where they are going to recommend your video. It stick with 1 niche or 2 niche, but normally on YouTube category, they just allow you only 1 niche. So stick with your 1 niche, but try to play with this stuff, then it's gonna help you. Thank you very much, guys. Please guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment. And guys, if you got any question, feel free to ask me to my comment section, or you can follow me on my Instagram. See you next video. Bye bye.